Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about Farisi movement. It is the religious reform movement in the 19th century. The organizer of this movement is Haji Shariatullah. This movement starts from the East Bengal, Faridpur. Mostly among the peasants in the East Bengal included in this movement. The Farisi means it derived from the word farl, that means obligatory. Farisi movement very unpopular movement among the peasants in the various districts of Bengal during the British rule. The two main aim of Farisi movement is to first one is to purify Islam by purging all un-Islamic belief and practices and signifying Quran and their sole spiritual guide. Second one is it also concerned with British influence upon Muslim and call for social justice. So now we discuss who is Haji Shariatullah. He is the organizer of this movement and he born in 1781 in the peasant family in Bahadpur village and Faridpur district. He traveled to Mecca and learned Quran and Islamic education. He spent 20 years abroad to learn about the Islam. He is an Hanafi ideal, and after he returned in 1818, he returned to his homeland. After return, he launched a Farisi movement to make the Bengal Muslim follow the true canon of Islam. For historical reason, people in Bengal far away from true Islam. They have un-Islamic beliefs and rituals. Haji Shariatullah regarded British rule in Bengal was injurious to the religious life of Muslim. And he started his movement, and this movement soon changed the religious movement into a political nature. The ideology of Haji Shariatullah is the British rule in India like Darul Harb or the land of enemy. And he argued it was not suitable for habitation of pious Muslim. And he gathered peasants and craftsmen. The importance of this movement is, first one is, he gathered the rural poor Muslims and revolt against landlord, indigo planters and British rulers. He gathered public opinion against exploiting zamindar and indigo planters. In 1837, Haji Shariatullah died and his son Dudu Mian take that rebellion. Dudu Mian is the son of Haji Shariatullah. His real name is Muhammad Muhsin Dudu Mian from 1819 to 1860. He was an able political conscious organizer. He also transformed the Farisi movement from socio-religious to socio-economic political movement. He tried to expand his movement in all the area of life. And he tried to organize peasant against zamindar. According to the argument of Dudu Mian, he tried, Allah was the owner of land and zamindar has no right to collect tax. And he collect peasants for that and they revolt against the zamindar. He called his men from taxes and supporting British. He argued his voice are against the taxes and British. And the Dudu Mian headquarters is Bahadpur. And Dudu Mian established their own law and own court, alternative to British judiciary. And he boycott, Farisi movement boycott the government court. He built a network of village organization in the district of Faridpur, Bagarganj, Dhaka, Patna, Jessore. He built his own network. He used his organization skill in dividing Bengal into several zones or halqa, each led by a Khalif. That means he divided his territory into several halqas or zones and each led by a Khalif. The spread of Farisi rebellion, Zamindar and indigo planters are turned against the Farisi movement, and during 1838 to 1847, many rebellions are take place against Farisi rebellions and indigo planters and Zamindar. And after the death of Dudumian in 1862, Farisi movement weakened eventually because it became a religious sect only, and this movement failed lack of political education among leaders. So this is the Farisi movement. In next video we have to discuss about the Sokoto movement. Assalamu alaikum.